everyone. Welcome to 10th class students for 10th class math class. Find discriminant and nature of roots. This is the given equation 3x square minus 2x plus 1 by 3 equal to 0. Then you have to observe this is the quadratic equation or not. This is the quadratic equation, but you have to multiply with the given equation with 3. 3 into 3x square minus 3 into 2x plus 1 by 3 into 3 is equal to 0 into 3. So 3 3s are 9x square, 2 3s are minus 6x, 3 and 3 cancel is equal to 1 equal to 0. So this is the quadratic equation. General the quadratic equation x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Compare quadratic equation and general given equation. A is equal to 9, b is equal to minus 6, c is equal to 1. What is the discriminant formula? B square minus 4ac. What is the b? Minus 6 whole square minus 4 into a into 9 into c. 6 square means 36. 4 9s are 36. 36 minus 36 equal to 0. So b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Given quadratic equation has two real roots. The real roots are minus b by 2a comma minus b by 2a. Minus of minus 6 by 2 into a into 9 is same the value 1 by 3, 1 by 3. This is the nature of the roots and the roots. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel, share with your friends, like it.